Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into something super practical. How to redeem Kroger digital coupons in 2025. Whether you're a busy parent, a savvy shopper, or just looking to save some cash on your grocery runs, this guide will have you clipping digital deals like a pro. Let's jump right in. First things first, you need to get set up. Start by downloading the Kroger app on your smartphone or head over to the Kroger website on your computer. It's free and straightforward. Search for Kroger in your app store or go to Kroger.com. Once you're there, log in to your existing account or create a new one if you're not already a member. This is your gateway to all the savings. Now, let's find those coupons. Open the app or website and navigate to the Deals and Coupons section. You'll see a bunch of offers tailored to your shopping habits. Browse through them, and when you spot something you like, simply click Add to Cart or Clip Coupon. It's that easy. For 2025, Kroger has updated their system for even faster loading, so you won't waste any time. Next up, it's time to shop. If you're heading to a physical store, make sure you're signed in on the app. At the checkout, scan your Kroger Plus card or enter your phone number. The digital coupons will automatically apply to your eligible items. Shopping online? Add items to your cart on the website, and the coupons will deduct from your total at checkout. Pro tip: double-check that the items in your cart match the coupon requirements to avoid any surprises. One common issue is coupons not applying. Make sure your app is updated to the latest 2025 version and that you're using the correct account. If you run into trouble, Kroger's customer support is just a click away in the app. There you have it, folks. By following these steps, you'll be redeeming Kroger digital coupons like a boss and saving money on everyday essentials. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and happy saving. See you in the next video.